Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw from Bullx Now. Now to do this, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. We will begin by heading over to Wallet Manager and make sure that you have some Solana in your Bullx wallet. We can click on this withdraw button and here click on add withdraw wallet. Now here you can enter your wallet name. For example, mine would be Phantom, so I'll write Phantom. So now here I'll paste the receiving address from my Phantom wallet. For that I have my Phantom wallet extension on my Google Chrome. I can simply head over to my extension and select Phantom wallet. From there, log into my wallet, and once I do this, click on receive and here select Solana. You can copy this address now and we'll head back and paste it right there. So simply copy it, go to withdraw and add wallet, select right Phantom and paste the address right here. After that, simply click on add wallet, and now our wallet is successfully added. And now in the from option, we can select our Bullx wallet, which contains Solana, and enter the amount that you want to sell, that you want to withdraw. And for example, you can type in, okay, so let's type in 0.005, and in two option you can simply select your Phantom wallet address that we just added earlier. After that, simply click on withdraw button and you are good to go. Well, that's how you can do it. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.